Hello student, in today's class we will see the next topic, that is electric potential and potential energy. Now you know that potential is the energy is stored. Next, electric potential. Now to see electric potential, before that we will see a short revision of electric intensity. In the previous class we have seen the derivation of electric intensity, but if we have to define it in a short wordings, how can? Now see, for that first of all we see the explanation. Consider a charge q. हमने एक charge q consider किया. Okay, because of this charge the electric field it will be developed around that charge. Okay, now suppose at this particular point small q charge, that is the small test charge q0, if you have taken in an electric field, उस electric field पे हमने एक small test charge q0 लिया है. Okay, that means at this particular point we have to find out the strength. Now what will happen? This field it will exert a force on this particular charge, small test charge q0. Okay, so we have to write down in a mathematical, that is E, it is equal to what? That means that is the force it is exerted on a small test charge q0. So it will be F upon q0. Okay, and if you have to write down in a unit form, what is the unit of the force? It is the Newton, and charge it is a Coulomb. Okay, so this is the electric intensity. Now we have to find out the electric potential. Again, for the electric potential also we have to consider, that is the charge q. फिर से हमने एक charge consider किया है. Now because of this charge what will happen? That is the field it is developed around that charge. उस charge के surrounding में around एक field it is developed. Now see, if we are taking, that is the another small test charge q0, एक यहाँ पे हमने small test charge q0, like this we have taken a small test charge. If it is here, that means again see, this is the q, this is the point q, ये आपका q charge है. And if we are taking a small test charge q0 at the infinity, कहीं पे तो भी दूर infinity पे हमने एक small test charge लिया है. Okay, from that place it has to be bring it in this field area. So वो ऐसे ही आ जाएगा क्या? Is it will come directly? No, that small test charge has to do work. Okay, उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Work करना पड़ेगा. किसके अपोज में? Opposite to that of the electric field. Okay, so we have to write down, that is the potential, electric potential V, it is equal to work done by the small test charge q0. So V it is equal to W upon q0. Okay, now this is the electric potential. Now in this we have seen that there is the two charges, but if you have to find out, that is the next, that is electrostatic potential energy. This potential energy we can say that is the electrostatic potential energy. Now see here, if you have to say in a definition form, how can we say? That is the electrostatic potential energy is, that is the work done against the force. Work done हो रहा है against the force to achieve a certain configuration of the charges in a given system. As we are saying, that is the system, in that what is happening? There means there are the 2-3 charges are present. That is the small charges are present, which are at a some place away from that field area. फील्ड एरिया के कहीं दूर दूर में है. जब वो सारे एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में आना है, उन सबको क्या करना पड़ेगा? दे हैव टू डू द वर्क. ओके, एंड दैट वर्क इट इज नथिंग बट द electrostatic potential energy. See once again, that work it is nothing but the potential energy. ठीक है? Now as we are saying that the charges they are coming from that particular or from a very far distances. So we can say that is a potential energy arises due to किनकी वजह से? दैट इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ द चार्जेस. And since that is the work done against the force is change in the potential energy. Okay, or we can say that is the increase in the potential energy, and that we can write down in the form of, that is the du, it is equal to, so du it is equal to F dr. So this du, it is nothing but the change in the potential energy, and this is F means the force it is exerted, and dr it is nothing but the that is the displacement. Okay, this mathematically we have seen. Now the student, we have to find out that is the derivation of the electrostatic potential energy. How we will see that? First of all, we have to draw the diagram. See, this is the point. Okay, now at this point we are taking, that is the charge q. Now if we are taking, that is the charge q at the source point, that is the O. Now this is the point. At this point we are taking a small test charge, that is the q0. Okay, now this we will say that is the point A. Okay, now see, on this it will exert a force, so it will say that is the force is exerting, that is electrostatic force. Now this is the point B. ये क्या है? तुम्हारा point B है, and this we can say that is the small distance dx. ये तुम्हारा small distance dx. Now if you have to explain this diagram, now see here from this point, इस point से लेके हम लोग distance देख रहे हैं, so this is the distance r1. कहाँ से? From O to A. Now from the point O to B, O to B, the distance is r2. Okay, ये हो गए तुम्हारे सारे distances. Now see here, consider the point O, that is the source point. Now this is the point, that is the q0, or we can say that is the, we will give the name, that is the A. At this point, that is the charge q0. Now what he has to do, इसको क्या करना है? He has to do the work, and that is the work done against the electrostatic force. See, this charge has to do the work against the electrostatic force, and that what work that is, इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक displace करना है. That we are taking, that is the small distance, we can say that is the dr. हम उसको लेते small distance, that is the dr. Now see, in that what we will write down, that, so we have seen that the diagram and the explanation of this diagram. Okay, now that the work done, see, the work is done. Which work? That the charge it is displaced from point A to the B, opposite to that of the electrostatic force. Okay, and that we will write down, that is the change in the potential energy. क्या हो रहा है? वो change in the potential energy, and that we will write down, that is du, it is equal to F dr. dr, small distance, it is the displacing. किसके opposite में? Force. Okay, now this, now as it is the opposite to that of the force, we will take the negative sign. ठीक है, ये हो गया तुम्हारा. Now in this again the displacement, now the displacement of the charge q0 from the initial position to the final position. Okay, and that's why what we will say, that this we will write down, that is the del r. It will be the del u, sorry, it is a del u, that is the change in the potential energy. That we can say that is increase in the potential energy, and that we will write down, that is the del u. It is equal to what? The displacement from the initial position to the final position. So we will say that is the integration of, that is r1 upon r2, and this, that is the du. यही है तुम्हारा. Okay, इसी को that is the displacement करना है. क्या करना है? minus f dr. So we will take, that is equal to, from the r1 r2 क्या आएगा? minus f dr. Getting? यही जो है उसका हम लोगों ने लिया है दैट इज द इंक्रीज इन द पोटेंशियल, दैट इज द del u, इट इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट फ्रॉम द इनिशियल पोजीशन टू द फाइनल पोजीशन, दैट इज द r1 r2 and the du, it is equal to, we will put the minus f df. Now dr, now what is this f? F, it is nothing but the, that is the electrostatic force. Now what is that electrostatic force? Electrostatic force, it is nothing but the Coulomb force. All of you know student, that is the Coulomb's law. Now the Coulomb's law, it is happened for the two charges. Two charges if you are taking, that is the q1 and another one it is the q2. Now the force, it is directly proportional to the two charges, that is the product of the two charges, and the inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay, if we will combine both, what we are getting, that is f, it is directly proportional to q1 q2 and inversely proportional to r2. If we will remove this proportionality constant, that is we are getting, that is the r2, and the proportionality constant, that is the k, and we know that k, it is equal to f, it is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r square. Okay, this is the force which we are taking. तो हमको मिल गया है फोर्स. Now we will take here, that is del u, it is the integration r1 r2, f निकाले थे हमने, कितना निकाले थे, -1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Now in this case we have seen that is the q1 q2, but here it is applicable for the two charges, that is the q and the q0. So what we will write down, that is the q and the q0, and the distance, that is the r square, and next that is we have dr. Getting? So we will say this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. ये हो गया तुम्हारा. We can write down whatever is the equations. Okay. Now in this say, see here we have to derive it. थोड़ा तो ये हमारे पास में है. अब हमको इसको कंप्लीट सॉल्व करना है. क्या करेंगे हम लोग, ये माइनस साइन है. नाउ इन दिस केस r1 r2, now whatever the constant term we are taking outside, ठीक है, इसके इंटीग्रेशन के हम लोग बाहर ले लेते. so minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q and the q0, and next अब हम लोग देखते हैं इंटीग्रेशन में क्या क्या आता है. now in that integration c क्या है, r1 initial position and the r2 final position, and we have remaining, that is the r square and the dr. Okay, all of you got it this much. Now next we have to integrate this. Now the student, in the maths you have seen the differentiation and the integration. For the integration we have the formula, that is integration of x to the power n, and that we will solve, that is x n plus 1 and divided by n plus 1. Okay, this is the formula. If we will apply here, now see it will be same. Now we have to integrate. हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन करने के बाद में हमको क्या मिल रहा है. Okay, again we will add here one step. This it will be, that is the r1 r2, and this it will be r minus 2 and the dr. ये क्या है, नीचे r स्क्वायर है, वो ऊपर जाने के बाद में क्या हो रहा है, इनवर्स के फॉर्म में r minus 2 dr. Okay, all of you got it. Now we will apply here this formula, and for that we are getting this, it is constant. What is constant? -1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q and q0. Now integrate करने के बाद में आप लोगों को क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, that is c r minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, that is the dr. Getting? अब what is the constant term? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, minus it is present here. Next what is the constant? Capital Q and the Q0. अब हमारे पास में यहाँ क्या है, R, यहाँ -2 plus 1 और ऊपर में पावर में -2 plus 1. Now see here student, यहाँ हमारे पास में क्या हो गया -1, नीचे का सॉल्व करने के बाद इट इज द -1, ऊपर में क्या हो रहा है r टू द पावर इट इज द -1 एंड that is the dr, and what it is the integration limit from the initial position to the final position, that is the r1 and r2. I hope all you understand up till this. Next step again it will be the same. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, सी माइनस माइनस इट गेट कैंसल, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो गया तुम्हारा। अब यही हम लोग लिख रहे हैं कैसे 1/r, again limit r1 r2. okay, now here we have to apply the limits. अब हमको यहाँ पे लिमिट अप्लाई करना है. now for that limit first of all we will apply the upper limit and then lower limit. so we have seen up till that. now here this is the constant term and here it is, if we will apply the upper limit and lower limit it will be 1/r2 minus 1/r1. okay, and this is our required answer. what it is? now if we will write down all these terms it will be 1/4 pi epsilon 0, this is the q and the q0. okay, तो ये constant है q0 and next 1/r2 minus 1/r1. this is our required answer. now student, now if you are saying, initially I told you that the charge it is at the infinity and that infinity place if you are taking as a zero potential energy, that means the electrostatic force it is the zero, and for that we are taking that is the r1 it is infinity. okay, and that r1 we are saying that is the zero. so what it will be, क्या हो जाएगा उस टाइम में तुम्हारा, that is 1/4 pi epsilon 0, the charges q1 and q2 and 1/only r. okay, so this much, this is the complete derivation of the electrostatic potential energy. In the next topic we will see next time.